In this video, I will review the EIVOTOR professional microphone. I purchased this to do some voiceover work and hopefully get a little clearer audio. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay. Happy or unhappy? So I guess it's got some troubleshooting tips and stuff in there. That's too funny. I love that. Okay. Here's the user guide. And here's a little windscreen. There's a little windscreen right there. Got a shock mount for the microphone. That is good. The spare shocks for it, O-rings. There's the cable with it. Windsock. An adapter so you can split off your headphones and mic. Part of the mounting system. There's the actual mic. And a little tripod for it. Okay. Set it up, see what we got. I shouldn't really need the windsock inside, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on there anyway. Okay, so got the mount, mic into the shock mount. Put the cable on. Like so. We say once you get that mount on, just leave it. Touch the windscreen. So unfortunately I cannot record using this microphone through the camera. It doesn't have enough gain in it. It needs a boosted mic. That's not what I purchased this one for anyway, so it's not a problem. But just to show you, give you an example of the quality. Here it is recorded through my laptop, and I'll speak into it for a little bit. So anyway, the microphone looks really good. I've listened to it previously, recorded this way through the laptop, and it seems to do a nice clear job. It does pick up a bit of ambient background, but not too much. Not nearly as bad as like a laptop mic or a camera mic would. So for the price, I think the microphone's a pretty good bargain. However, the plastic mount, not so much. Once you get to put together, I would leave it together, or possibly purchase a metal mount to go on it, because that plastic filling is going to strip the threads out quite quickly. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.